Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all would be fine. And in the previous video we were discussing about the names of the chapter was nouns and pronouns. Nouns we all had completed, and the second portion was pronouns. See, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in the place of nouns are called pronouns. Suppose that if I am saying Mahesh is going, and instead of using Mahesh is a noun, and instead of using Mahesh, I said he is going. I used he in place of Mahesh. So he is the pronoun here. Suppose that if I say uh, Anushka is a intelligent girl. Anushka is an intelligent girl. Instead of using Anushka, I used she is an intelligent girl. So in this way, so many words are there: he, she, I, we, our, mine, yours, etc. So whichever words are used in place of nouns, those words are called pronouns. Now again, there are so many kinds of pronouns. Uh, First is personal pronoun, second is possessive pronoun, then demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, distributive pronoun, and relative pronoun. There are 9 kinds of pronoun, and we will be discussing all the pronouns in different videos, because in one video it is very difficult to understand all the pronouns. So thoroughly we have to understand about the nouns. First one is personal pronoun. In English grammar and Hindi grammar also, we use in Hindi we study purush, pratham purush, dviti madhyam purush, uttam purush, and in English also, English grammar also, there is the concept of person, first person, second person, third person. These types of uh, terminology are used to understand whether I am talking about which person. Suppose that if I am talking about myself, then I will use I, our, we, us. These are the words which denotes uh, about oneself. Who is speaking about that person? These words denote. And the second person is that if I say you, your, and these types of pronouns are means the second person uh, is the terminology in which the pronoun is indicating about the person to whom that talking is going on. Suppose that if I am talking to you all, I say you all have to work hard. Then you is coming for whom? You is coming for you all. So that is why the person to whom the talking is going on, that pronoun, if it is used, that is called personal second person. And the third person is what? Third person is if I am talking about any other person, if I am talking to you about any other thing. Suppose that if I say those people are walking on the road, those means it is we are not talking about ourselves. I am not talking about yourself, but I am talking about the third person. That is why it is called third person. So in personal pronoun, uh, there are three types of pronouns. uh, Means for first person, second person, third person, all the pronouns will be coming in personal pronoun. So example is I, we, our, us, their, them. These all the types of pronouns will be coming in personal pronoun. So again in personal pronoun, there are two types of personal pronoun. First is subjective personal pronoun, and the other one is objective personal pronoun. If I am using a pronoun as a subject, then it is a subjective personal pronoun, and if I am using as an object, it will be the objective personal pronoun. If I say I go to school, I is a pronoun, and because I is used as a subject. If I am asking who is going to school, then answer I will be getting is I. So I will be the subjective pronoun. And if I say if I use a pronoun as an objective, suppose that if I say uh, this work will be done by them, the homework will be done by them. Now here, them is not used as a subject, but them is used as a object here. So it is a very basic difference between subjective and objective pronoun. Personal pronoun can be used in two ways: subjective pronoun and objective personal pronoun. We have to be very clear. Here, I is subjective, we is subjective, our is subjective, us is objective, them is objective, and there is subjective. So we have to be very clear. Wherever it will be used as a subject, that is a subjective pronoun, and wherever a personal pronoun is used as an object, it will be a objective pronoun. The second one is possessive pronoun. And the examples are uh, uh, yours, mine, theirs, ours. These all the pronouns will be coming in possessive pronoun. Suppose that if I say this is my book, my is not the pronoun. My is an adjective because my is telling the quality of book. You would have learned in earlier classes that adjective is something which describes about noun. And if I am saying my book, my is the word which is describing about book, and book is a noun, so that is why my is a adjective. Don't think that my is a pronoun. But if I say this book is mine, then mine is a pronoun. It is not a adjective. There is a very basic difference between a possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Suppose that if I say this is my book, my is here adjective. If I say this book is mine, then mine is a pronoun here. And adjective, if an adjective is used, there should be a noun with the adjective. Adjective cannot stand alone. Suppose that if I say he is a good, then we have to mention here what good. He is a good boy. Good always need a noun. Good is a adjective. But if I say this book is mine, mine is the word which can be stand alone. So that is why here these all the things we possessive pronouns. It also shows possession. This is a pronoun which shows possession. Possession means someone's right. So these two types of pronouns we have learnt here: personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. And the exercises I will be giving you in PDF format. You just study and try to do it. And the other pronouns we will be discussing in the later video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.